Hey everybody, my name is Lisa and you're watching Lisa's Escapades. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different. I have a company named Lexland that sent me some brand new tow hooks for my Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to put those on there today and show you how it's done. And if you own a Toyota Tacoma or a 4Runner, you're going to want to watch this. So Lexland sent me these really nice tow hooks, which are much nicer than what's on my truck. And these are made out of aluminum. It looks like they have a larger slot here to make sure it fits your vehicle. And you mount it flat side up. So let me get under there and do that and show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, this is what I'm using here. You need an 18mm socket. And I've got Loctite. I don't know that you're supposed to use Loctite, but I figure why not? It won't hurt, since this is a vehicle that's going to be off-road a lot, so that way these bolts don't come out and then I end up losing those. So let's get under here and get to it. So here's the bolts here. Man, those things are tight. A little more. There's the old one. This old one's heavy too. This new one's aluminum. It's a lot lighter. So like I said, I'm going to put a little Loctite on there. It didn't say to do this, but I think it's a good idea. So just a little bit. I'm getting it all over the ground. Too bad I don't have like an impact wrench. This would go a lot faster. There you have it. That's good and tight. Not bad. All right, let's get the other one put on and then I'm going to show you the end result. So on this side, they don't even have a tow hook, so now I'm gonna have two that match, and it's gonna be nice. Hopefully I'll never have to use them, but if I do, I'm happy I have them. Thank you, Lexland. So this is the rinky-dink thing that was on the other side. I mean, it's good enough to pull you, but it's not great. So I'm happy to get these. Yeah, these are gonna look much nicer. I'm gonna tighten these up. There we go. And that's it. So look how good that looks in the front now. It's got that nice red accent, and it matches my license plate with the American flag. And it's a lot sharper looking than what was on there. So I appreciate it, Lexland, for sending me these. And if you'd like to get your own, you can just go to this website in my description, and you can put in Lisa 20 to get 20% off. And they have other accessories for Toyota Tacoma and for the 4Runners. So go check them out. They're really a good company, and they have really quality stuff. And I just want to say one more time, thank you, Lexland.